Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can unblock people on Facebook. So all you have to do is go to your Facebook account, tap on the profile icon on the lower right, go to settings, tap on profile settings, and then here you can see the word blocking. It says review people you previously blocked, so just tap on that. And it will lead you to this page, and here should be a list of all the people that you've blocked. So if you want to unblock someone, just tap on unblock beside their name, for example this one, and it says here if you unblock your friend, she may be able to see your timeline or contact you depending on your settings, and you will have to wait 48 hours if you want to block your friend again. So if you're decided, then just tap unblock and it will automatically just unblock your friend. There you have it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.